Fire, it warms us, cooks our food, and keeps us safe. Since the dawn of time, humans have sought its warmth and light. Knowing how to make fire without matches or lighters is a vital skill, connecting us to our ancestors and giving us a sense of self-reliance in the wild. In this guide, we explore the ancient art of primitive fire starting. We'll delve into time-tested techniques that have sustained generations. It's more than just a practical skill. It's a journey into the heart of our ancestral past. The bow drill method is a classic found across cultures and continents. It embodies simplicity and effectiveness, relying on friction to create fire. First, gather your materials: a socket, fireboard, spindle, and bow. The socket, a hard handheld piece of wood or stone with an indentation, stabilizes the spindle. The fireboard, a flat piece of wood, provides the friction surface. The spindle, a thin stick of wood, is spun rapidly against the fireboard. The bow, made from a flexible branch and cordage, powers the spindle's rotation. To start, create a notch on the fireboard's edge and make a pile of tinder beneath it. Rest the spindle in the socket, place it against the fireboard notch, and begin bowing. The friction creates fine wood dust that collects in the notch and eventually ignites. Flint and steel offer another reliable way to create fire. The principle is simple. Striking flint against steel generates sparks, which ignite tinder. You'll need a piece of flint, a steel striker, and char cloth to catch the sparks. Char cloth is easily made by burning natural fabrics like cotton in a low oxygen environment. When struck properly, the flint shaves off tiny pieces of steel, which ignite due to the heat and oxygen in the air, creating the shower of sparks. Hold the flint in one hand and the steel striker in the other. Angle the flint slightly and strike it downward against the striker, aiming the sparks towards your tinder nest. Once a spark catches, gently blow on it to encourage a flame. While the bow drill and flint and steel remain popular, a world of other primitive fire-starting techniques exists. The hand drill, similar to the bow drill but operated manually, offers a compact alternative. The fire plow involves rubbing a hardwood stick against a groove in a softwood plank, generating friction and eventually creating an ember. The pump drill, while more complex to build, provides greater speed and efficiency in generating heat. Each technique has its intricacies and rewards. Experimenting with different methods broadens your skill set and deepens your appreciation for the art of primitive fire starting.